Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Guys, this is what is going on in Mona. The place, the road look like the whole road are going to drop down anytime soon. One next big old one over there, sir. And look what the taxi them will drive over up on the wall of the side of the road here, the roadside. Look what the taxi drive. Tell me now. How are we supposed to fix this now? Who's supposed to fix this? Nobody said I'm not driving up and the people I'm not doing that.
Viewers and subscribers, the video that I just showed you a while ago shows of a person complaining about holes that is in the road. According to what has been said in the video, it is said to be of a place that is called Mona, and that is in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, I think that this might be something like, you know, like when underneath the ground is hollow and then after a period of time, you know, it just decided to fall in. You know, some people call it cave-in or so forth, you see me? And as well, me I look at it and I say that maybe water around underneath these places, you know, who to tell, you see me? And it can also be because of the rainfall too. You know what I mean? Yeah, but those are just my point of view, viewers and subscribers. So I said to you, you know what I mean? Yeah. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, one thing but they are look on still, because in the video it seems as if the person is somewhat complaining, right? So it would seem as if these holes, I should say, is in the road for probably 2-3 weeks, can be more, can be less, you know. It would seem like it's there for some time, you see me, because you can hear like it's a complaint, really and truly, you see me. What could really be the cause of something like this, viewers and subscribers? Like for real, that are the question right now. What could be the cause of something like this? You know, and I only hope that them fix this before someone get hurt. You see what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? Well, this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. I just showed you a video of a person complaining about the holes that is in the road of a place that is called Mona, that is in Jamaica. And you can also let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.